What if I told you one of the cheapest food inside your kitchen is maybe feeding billions of living organisms inside your body? And what if those organisms affects your digestion, your immune system, your energy levels, and long-term habits and health? Most people think oats just like breakfast, something boring, something bland, without any taste. But today I'm going to show you why oat may be one of the most underestimated food in the world. And by the end of this video, you will understand why your gut will thank you and love oat more than we do. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. T. Welcome back to Dr. T Health Channel. Here I'm going to simplify science, nutrition and health for you so you can live better and understand your body and make smarter choices every day. Today we are talking about oats, not the trendy version, not the marketing version, the science. What oats actually do inside your body and how they affect your gut microbiome. Today, we are talking about oats, not the trendy version, not the marketing version, the science. What oats actually do inside your body and how they affect your gut microbiome. Why researchers continue to study them and whether they deserve their reputation as a healthy food or no. Let's start. Most people think digestion starts and ends with food. You digest, you absorb nutrients, end of the story. But that's not what's happening really inside your body. Inside your digestive tract lives a massive of micro ecosystem of microorganisms. This ecosystem is called the gut microbiome. And the scientists are discovering that it influences far more than you can imagine and far more than digestion. It plays a role in immune function, inflammation, metabolism, and nutrient absorption, and communication between the gut and your brain. Yes, the second brain is your gut. Your gut microbiome and your gut digestive tract is your second brain. In many ways, your gut is one of the most important ecosystem inside your body. What you feed it matters a lot, not only just few bit, but a lot. Now here is where oat becomes very fascinating and interesting. Oat contains special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This is not another fiber. Beta-glucan forms a gel-like. So this helps slow digestion. It helps increase your satiety so you feel better when you eat it and go for a long time without food or the sensation of hungry and starvation. It helps increase the satiety and perhaps most importantly, it provides fuel for the bacteria or the beneficial bacteria living inside your gut. Think about it for just a moment. When you eat oats, you are not only feeding yourself, you are going to feed your trillions of microorganisms inside your gut. You are not only feeding it, you are feeding your entire ecosystem. And that ecosystem can influence how you feel and how you act every single day and every single moment. Gordon. Good bacteria are the healthy plants. Bad bacteria or bad habits are the weeds. The foods you eat determine which seed grows longer and stronger. When you regularly consume rich fiber food such as oats, fruits, vegetables, legumes, beneficial bacteria tends to thrive. These bacteria produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids, and these compounds are associated with many beneficial effects inside your body. Researchers continue to investigate how these compounds influence your gut health, metabolism, and immune function. Which brings us to a simple, powerful idea. The health of your gut is influenced by what you repeatedly eat. Not once, not occasionally, repeatedly. Okay, here is another surprising fact. Many adults consume far less fiber than recommended. And when fiber intake drops down, digestive health often suffers. People may experience constipation, poor satiety, blood sugar fluctuation, and an overall diverse gut control of the microbiome. Oat provide an easy way. This oat provides you an easy way to increase the fiber and Oats provide an easy way to increase fiber intake without doing anything extreme. No expensive supplements, no complicated protocols, or just real food. Let's talk about your blood sugar. Because this one of the reasons oats have attracted scientific attention, the beta glucan in oats can slow the absorption of carbohydrates inside your blood. This means energy enters the bloodstream more gradually, instead of sharp spikes and crashes. The body receives a steadier supply of fuel. That's one reason many people feel satisfied longer after eating a bowl of minimally processed oat. Not because oats are magic, but because physiology matters and the body responds differently to food based on their structure. Okay, now let's zoom out for a moment. The real lesson here isn't just about oats. It's about the difference between whole food and highly processed foods. Many modern foods are engineered for convenience and hyper palatability, often low in nutrients and often disconnected from how food naturally exists. Oats are the opposite. Simple, recognizable, nutrient dense, rich fiber, and minimally processed when you choose traditional or steel cut varieties. Sometimes the most powerful have digestions decisions are also the simplest. Can oat guarantee perfect health? Of course not. No food can. But healthy dietary patterns can include food rich in fiber and whole plant nutrients. Oats fit beautifully into that picture. They are affordable, accessible, and supported by decades of nutrition research. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.